So we will start with Boyle's law, and I'm glad it is almost alphabetical so that when you are thinking about them, it is the idea about them and what you need to know about them can flow, because you know we started with the Boyle's law. And what does the Boyle's law state? It states that the volume of a fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure at a constant temperature. What this means is that if the volume of a gas is doubled, the pressure is reduced by half. If the volume of a gas is doubled, the pressure is reduced by half. So we are going to have a practical illustration of that by use of a balloon. This balloon has air which has been blown into it, and so it has been inflated. The pressure pushes the rubber and makes the balloon expand. As you can see, it has expanded to a big extent. If one end of the balloon is squeezed, it makes the volume smaller and the pressure increases and causes the unsqueezed part of the balloon to expand out. So watch this carefully. The lower part of the balloon, it is more or less spherical except for probably this end. So it is more or less spherical. So I will push the lower end so that the volume decreases. Now the pressure will increase and cause the unsqueezed part of the balloon to spread out. So just watch this. I have squeezed it. The volume has decreased. So you can see where now the unsqueezed part, the pressure has increased. It is pushing the balloon even further out. And that is a classic or a good explanation of the Boyle's law. So when you increase the pressure, proportionately, the volume decreases. The converse is also true, that when you increase the volume, the pressure decreases. So what we are saying is that squeeze the balloon, reduce the volume on the lower end. The unsqueezed part, you can see it has increased because the pressure goes there and causes the balloon to increase on that side. So quantify. Now we can carry out calculations that can help us quantify that. Another illustration is a syringe. When you have a syringe and you pull the plunger back so that it is full of air, then you hold the tip with the end of your finger and then try and squeeze the plunger back. You will feel the air inside pushing against your finger because you are reducing the volume of the syringe or of the air inside the syringe, and that increases the pressure, and the pressure starts pushing to your finger. That is something that we can easily identify with.